Canada Day. Day for all the Canadians out there. We're going to see how many hunks we can get today. Look at this sun. Come on.
A lot of igloos, only got snow when the wintertime comes and the cold wind blows. Got the Rocky Mountains and grassy fields. Don't spend much time clubbing them seeds. Got fools and geese and caribou, the northern black and black fly too. Time of North and Niagara Falls, the province of Quebec got us all by the ball.
It's not Canadian.
This land so wide and free. I'm red and white and wavy, waving while standing on God's fleet. We got 50 kids and got a lot of stoners. Pamela Anderson will give you a boner. Got a giant lobster ready for the kettle, a real nice beaver and a great big fiddle. Maple syrup, Alberta oil, ship her all down to American soil. So refine it all and ship it all back. The price goes up and say, what the fuck's that? Oh, Canada, this land so wide and free. I'm red and white and waving, I'm standing on God's fleet. Now Ottawa is the capital city. We don't like people trying to make us feel shitty. A boot's a boot, a boat's a boat. A punch in the face is a puck in the mouth. We got Jim Carrey and Tommy Manziel, so we don't mind laughing at ourselves. So if you're bilingual, sing along. Voulez-vous mon grand shalom. Oh, Canada, this land so wide and free. I'm red and white and waving, I'm standing on God's fleet. But it don't matter, young or old, smoking cigarettes or BC Gold. Don't matter who you like or who's in power, drinking Tim Hortons in the CN Tower. At the RCMP on hockey night, we're a lot of colors, we're not just white. We're not all straight, we're not all gay, just living our lives the Canadian way. Oh, Canada, that land so wide and free. I'm red and white and waving, while standing on God's fleet. Oh, Canada, this land so wide and free. I'm red and white and waving.